Ever wonder why your cat suddenly swats at you after what seemed like a perfect petting session, or why they always seem to run away right when you want to cuddle? It turns out that winning over a feline isn't about showering them with forced affection, but about mastering a secret language rooted deeply in science. Welcome back to Feline Mind, where you discover exactly what your cat is thinking. If you want to transform your relationship and make your cat absolutely obsessed with you, you need to change your approach completely. The biggest mistake you can make is trying to force an interaction. Your cat is a highly independent creature, and cornering them for a giant hug will actually make them resent you. Instead, you need to let them call the shots. Try sitting completely still, focusing your attention entirely on a book or your phone, and simply wait. When you stop chasing them, your cat instantly feels safe and in control, making them far more likely to approach you on their own terms. Studies prove that interactions last significantly longer and build deeper trust when your cat is the one who initiates the contact and decides exactly when it ends. If your kitty ever shows signs of annoyance, just walk away immediately, because respecting their personal space is the fastest way to earn their loyalty. When your cat does come to you, knowing exactly where to pet them changes everything. Focus your attention entirely between their eyes and ears. This replicates the natural grooming behaviors friendly cats share with each other, triggering positive responses like deep purring and kneading. Avoid the base of the tail completely, as this area is highly sensitive and can easily overstimulate them, turning a peaceful moment into a sudden scratch. You should also stay away from their belly, which is their most vulnerable area, as touching it can instantly make them feel threatened and stressed. You also need to become highly aware of your own scent, because a cat has a sense of smell 14 times stronger than yours. If your cat suddenly retreats when you reach out, your clothing or skin might carry overpowering odors like strong perfume, citrus, bleach, or even the scent of another animal. Switching to unscented soaps, lotions, and detergents removes these invisible barriers, making you smell safe and inviting. To take your bond even further, start greeting them exactly like another feline would. Cats say hello through nose-to-nose sniffing. You can mimic this naturally by gently extending your index finger at their eye level. Your fingertip acts as a substitute nose, allowing your cat to investigate you safely. If they walk up, sniff, and rub their cheek against your finger, you have officially been accepted into their inner circle. Keep in mind that while dogs live for new adventures, your cat thrives on familiarity and can easily become stressed by sudden changes or unfamiliar guests. To soothe an anxious kitty, you can utilize synthetic cat pheromones on your own clothing. These specialized chemical signals mimic the comforting messages cats leave behind when they rub against furniture, instantly signaling to your cat that you are a safe haven. You can also accelerate this bond through intentional, interactive playtime. Engaging your cat with feather wands or string toys simulates a real hunt, releasing feel-good hormones that keep them physically fit and emotionally attached to you. When you are interacting, always ensure you never block the exits to the room. Towering over your cat or trapping them in a corner triggers their survival instincts, whereas maintaining open spaces allows them to explore your presence without fear. One of the most powerful communication tools you have is your eyes. In the feline world, a prolonged, unblinking stare is a direct sign of hostility or hunting behavior. To tell your cat you mean no harm, give them a slow, deliberate blink, and then look away. This universal sign of peace instantly de-escalates tension and tells them you are a safe friend. Combine this body language with the strategic use of high-value aromatic treats. Instead of leaving food out all day, offer a special treat only during your one-on-one interactions, while speaking to them in a soft, quiet tone. This trains your cat to associate the soothing sound of your voice with a jackpot reward. By consistently respecting their boundaries, giving them space, and speaking their language, your cat will naturally choose to spend more time by your side. If you want to unlock more hidden secrets about your cat's behavior and build the ultimate bond, make sure to subscribe to Feline Mind right now, leave a comment with your cat's favorite petting spot, and watch your relationship transform today.